Scott, tell me, how does this differ from other companies, for example, a company like Groupon?
Okay. Bill, there's some really important differences and advantages to the CopiaMobile platform over other mobile coupon solutions or other social media offerings like a Groupon. The first and most obvious one is the ability to redeem the offers directly into the cash register. When you look at the other mobile coupon solutions out there, they require you to either enter a complex code on the PIN pad for the cash register or try and scan a barcode off of the screen of the phone. And both of those solutions are very error-prone. They take a lot of time. And in some environments, they may not even have a PIN pad or a barcode scanner. For example, if you're in a restaurant, they don't have a barcode scanner or a PIN pad to be able to use to redeem the offers for the consumer to bring in from their phone. Additionally, most importantly for the retailer, those things slow down the checkout lane. No retailer in the world and no consumer in the world wants a solution that's going to slow down the checkout lane. With the CopiaMobile solution, it actually speeds up the checkout lane. It takes less time to redeem the coupon with the wireless connection with the Copia solution than it does to key in a code or to scan a barcode. Additionally, the CopiaMobile solution helps eliminate fraud in the transaction. With other competing solutions on mobile phones where you're keying something in on the cash register, you're still exposed to the opportunity for consumer fraud for the retailer or the manufacturer.
And of course, consumers are very insistent that the checkout operation redeem each and every coupon, even if the coupon doesn't go with that particular product or particular size that's covered in the coupon.
And finally, the CopiaMobile solution is built around helping retailers and manufacturers build their brand. With competing mobile solutions, the brand that the consumer is using is the brand of the solution. So when you use something like a Groupon, people are joining up for Groupon, and it really doesn't give the retailer a way to build their brand or for the manufacturer to connect directly with the consumer. So once you've done one of these Groupons or once you've used one of these mobile coupons through one of our competitors, your connection with that consumer is broken. It's kind of a drive-by shooting experience for the consumer. They got the offer and then they're off, maybe going to one of your competitors. With the CopiaMobile solution, we provide retailers and manufacturers with a way of connecting directly to the consumers and learning about their shopping preferences and their behaviors in a way to better meet the consumer's needs and to get a better understanding and knowledge of how they can fill that value proposition to the consumer.
You know, when I was operating Dial and Procter & Gamble, I would have loved to be able to find the demographics of that young mom who was buying the products I was trying to promote. With this approach that CopiaMobile has, we know exactly who the customer is. We know which ad she responded to because it's on her telephone. All that data is captured, and it's captured in a way that CopiaMobile can then provide it back to you, the manufacturer or the retailer, so that you understand exactly who the customer is, what is the interest level, and what's the opportunity for additional contact with her.
Are consumers really using mobile coupons?
You know, they really are. It's not something that's in the future, it's something that's being used today. Accenture recently performed a consumer analysis that showed that the #1 thing that consumers were looking for on applications on their mobile phone from retailers were mobile coupons and discount offers. So it's the #1 thing that consumers are looking for when they're looking to interact with retailers over their mobile device. Additionally, another study performed by the Yankee Group last year analyzed the growth of the mobile coupon market and forecasted that by 2013, the mobile coupon market just in North America will exceed $2.3 billion, that's with a B, just in North America. And when you bring in the rest of the world, the growth opportunities here in this market, not only today, but in the future, are phenomenal. And the best solution to be able to make those type of offers out to consumers is the CopiaMobile platform.
Scott, there are a lot of mobile phones out there. Will it work with all of them?
Bill, it works with the vast majority of mobile phones that are already in people's hands today. As long as the phone has an active data connection, whether it's over the cellular data network like a 3G or now the new 4G networks, or it's connected via Wi-Fi in the store, it'll work with those phones. So it works with all the smartphones, the iPhone, the Android, the BlackBerry. It even works with some of the older feature phones that just have a browser and the ability to connect to the web. So it works with all the different types of phones out there. In the United States, there are about 250 million phones today that our solution will work with. We don't have to wait for any new technology. We don't have to wait for any new phones to be rolled out. It works in those phones today.